Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about Holi special photo editing tutorial. You can change your normal photos into Holi special photo. It's very easy, but you have to follow all the steps. So please do watch till the end. And guys, we are almost 500 family, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First of all, you have to download the PicsArt app. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now go to the app and click the plus icon and search for Holi background. You can select any of this or any other background if you want. Just for this video, I'm selecting from here. Now go to the effects and select blur and make fade up to 30 and blur up to 7. Now go to the add photo and select the photo you want to edit. If you want to know how to remove background, please do check out my video. I have linked in description below. You can easily remove background within 5 seconds. You can resize the photo. I want my photo like this. You can also decrease and increase the opacity. Now again go to add photo and select the color PNG. You can check all this color PNG in the description below. Please do check out. Now after adjusting the size, just go to blend and select multiply. By doing this, it's look quite real. Again go to add photo and select another PNG. This PNG is quite big one. After resizing it, go to blend and select multiply, and you can also decrease the opacity. Again go to add photo and select another PNG. This PNG is color green. You can resize it and go to blend and select multiply and decrease the opacity and select the apply. Again go to add photo and select another PNG. This PNG is made for face and neck. You can adjust it to the neck, and you can also erase it to the eraser, and you can erase the unnecessary part. And just go to blend and select multiply, and you're done. Repeat same process for the face also. Now go to add photo and select the PNG of Holi and adjust wherever you want to. So that's how you can edit your normal photo into Holi special photo. It's very easy. So let's try on another one. Just repeat the same process and let's see how it will come up. So these are the final results. Both the photo looks quite amazing. If you like this photo editing tutorial, please do give a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and support me guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, take care.